Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm going to show you how we can use split screen on Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, you have to select the application that you want to use in split screen mode, and for me I'm just going to select a Telegram application. Then after that we can click on this recent button. So just tap on it and just slide your screen like this. And since we want to open the Telegram in split screen, we can click on Telegram icon right here until this option appear on your screen. Then click on open in split screen view. Then we are going to select the second application that we want to open in split screen, and I'm just going to select Samsung Music. So just tap on it, and if you want to adjust the screen, you just need to drag this line. You can drag it down, or you can drag it up like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can open split screen on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.